Experience driving perfection in the 2010 Dodge Ram 3500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated steering wheel, a trailer hitch, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.